Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today you join me here in London, as you can see behind me. It feels like a long time since I've been in London, but I'm actually here for an event with BMW Park Lane, which I'll be heading to tonight. So yeah, I'll kind of add that in at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around to see what's to come. Kind of thought I'd use the day to kind of explore and see what cars there is around here. I hope around this corner it's some very special cars. If not, I'm going to be very, very annoyed. I'm going to attempt to try and take some pictures. See that one nice? Nice taxi driver. Let me take my photos. I don't know, I'll get anything as a whole other story. Oh my god, why is it so nice?
Take up both of the diamond
I'm just sort of winging this. Kind of hoping for the best, really. It's a bit of a Marmite one, I suppose, isn't it?
There's a 300 plus here.
That's the going past. So I'm finally happy that I was able to see what I came to spot and find, the big, massive Mercedes AMG 6x6 Bugatti Chiron. I didn't have so much luck this morning when I was out spotting for another Bugatti that was also supposedly around the Tower of London area. But yeah, I'll get over this. The spec is very nice, and apparently it is here till Christmas, and it is full exposed carbon as well. Hopefully you can see that. There you go, you should be able to see that a little bit better now. Cream and black interior, and then like a sort of pearlescent white paint. And yeah, all the carbon fibre at the bottom. There is also a very nice Bentley first edition behind, which not many people have been paying attention to. But it is very, very nice. That's cool. Don't see them every day. I don't even know what that is. I thought there was only one of these. Look how mucky it is and how curved it is. And there's one more down there. The newer version of it. Not to brag. I didn't think after this morning that there was going to be as many nice spots around, but luckily I've managed to find some decent ones. There was the 2 Urus's over there, and I'm going to have to do my research, but I have absolutely no idea what that big massive van thing was. It looks like a sort of security thing from America. I'm just going to head on and see what else I can find and sort of do a big loop and hopefully end up back at Park Lane. I ideally want to come back to the Berkeley at night when the lights are all on because they put the Christmas lights up. So fingers crossed that I have enough time to come back and get a couple of photos, but it might be quite busy, so yeah. I think that's the one from over there anyway that I saw last time. That S60, yeah, it is. It's parking up. I was literally just about to say I never see any drive-bys or anything like that, and that was really weird timing. So yeah, hopefully I can get some more at this square over here. But yeah, fingers crossed, because it has been very, very quiet in London today. That's cool. DeLorean, not something that you see all the time. Is that a parking ticket as well? Missed that. I'm not looking at this 812 GTS. That's a very nice colour. It's a green. I don't know if it's picking it up well on camera, but that looks very, very nice. Remove the cone. Yeah, that's sick. That's a very nice Artura.
Yeah, the paint is insane. So this is an MSO colour.
I don't actually think I've seen a GT in person, you know.
They're quite hard to come by. This car is the huge space at the back.
Yeah, because of the...
Yeah.
So I've been very kindly let inside of McLaren to have a bit of a look around, because there is a barrier over there which is supposed to stand behind, but yeah, I managed to get let in. But yeah, there's a very nice 720S here. All of them, I think he was saying, all of them are MSO paints, so it's like got very a lot of like sparkle and stuff in it. And then this 570S, which is also as well in the light. I don't know if you can see that there. It's also very pearlescent. And then here is the GT, which is basically like a golf club carrying car. And then here, the Artura, which is the newest version, which has got a V6. And the guy was saying that it's sort of still kept the sound, which he was worried about, which you kind of can think it's not going to be as good, obviously, when you've got the V8 in those, and then the V6 in this. But yeah, look at that. It's so weird, especially when he opened it up. Yeah, so this is the first time I've actually been to the McLaren showroom, and they very kindly let me in. So I finally got to see the car under the lights. I'm just heading, you can see it in the background, over towards Park Lane now, because I'm going to go try and find some other things. It's getting a little bit dark, and then I'm going to go head over to BMW. I just had to help the guy turn it off, which was a very weird experience. But yeah, I like this colour. It's a really nice red. I saw one of these at Donington, but I've never seen one out like on the street. My GoPro's died and it's getting quite dark as well. But I recognise this from last time I was down here. Very nice rolls with 1R reg. And the two-tone as well. That's sick. But yeah, it's a little bit unfortunately too dark to be photographing anything, and I haven't really got a tripod with me. It's a nice view in the back. But yeah, so I'm just going to head straight to BMW now. And so I've just got here at Park Lane, and this is the first thing that I'm presented with, a brand new BMW M3 competition with the 50th anniversary badges on. So this is a special for the 50th anniversary, I think, because they usually get artists in to do different designs on the cars, and this 8 Series by Jeff Koons is very, very out there, although I thought that they probably would have put a 50th anniversary badge on it, especially because they have sort of similar vibe there. But yeah, this looks really cool. And if you wanted to buy it, it's $305,980. So a very expensive one. Interior looks really cool as well. Kind of gives me like Spider-Man vibes inside with the red and the blue. I like this sort of like pop art style stuff anyway, so it looks quite cool on a car, and it's all painted as well, which just makes it even better. Look at that, that's so cool. It feels weird seeing this car in right-hand drive, because when I was in Mallorca with BMW, this exact model, well, not this exact car, because obviously if you look, the steering wheel is now on the right-hand side, so it's like proper English version of it. But yeah, it's so cool. Obviously I've never heard it because the demo cars that was over there in Mallorca were off. And I can't wait for you to see the reels that I did for BMW. Nothing can be posted as of yet, so I might actually be able to post the video of this that I do today before. So yeah, and then the i7, which I'm also familiar with as well, which again is weird seeing it on this side. See if you can see it inside. And then obviously the big screen at the back, which you can't really see because it's quite dark. But yeah, this paint colour's nice. I don't know if there was one similar over there in Mallorca. Yeah, I'm going to get on with the reel and sort of see how it turns out. I'm going to try and do like an event reel more than a car one, so you can sort of see like everything that's here before the load of people get here. So yeah, so over here is the Mini. I can't actually remember what they were saying about this one, but it is the track focus car, and it's fully electric. And it looks mad. Kind of looks like the new GP. I don't know the variant of it. I'm not too clued up on it. But yeah. Look how bright the wheels are. That isn't underglow, by the way. That is a LED light that's underneath it. That's pretty cool. Cooper S. John Cooper Works. Convertible. I'm just going to get into the event. I've changed and I've cooled down a lot now. So yeah. You'll probably see iPhone shots from like the foreseeable for the rest of the night, but there's a lot of cocktails and a lot of nice drinks.